Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys the makeup that I am taking to Disney World with me. Today is actually the day that we leave. It's like morning time. Our flight isn't till 3, it's like 10 a.m. So I got a few hours, so I figured I would share with you guys what I'm bringing before I pack it away in my suitcase, which is like down there. It's kind of a mess, but yeah, if you hear a little bit of background noise, my dryer is going right now, so sorry if you hear that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So I am going for 7 days, 2 travel days, so 5 like full days, 2 travel days. And then so I ended up packing my things in these bags. So these actually came together as a set from Sephora. I will try and find them and link them down below. I actually really like this bag. However, it's a little small, especially because I have a lot of makeup. I mean, it has nothing to do with the bag. It's just I'm taking a lot of things. So this is where my brushes and makeup go. And so I'm just going to go ahead and unzipper it. And this is what the inside looks like. It's a little messy, but you know, whatever. All right, so I guess I'm just going to start off with telling you guys or showing you all of the brushes I'm taking. So these are, for the most part, these are all of them. Nothing crazy, just the very basic brushes, like very minimal. I try not to travel with a lot of brushes just because they kind of take up a lot of space. So I might actually move these into a brush roll if I have space. I don't know, we'll see. But these are all the brushes I'm taking. I got bronzer, blush, powder. I got some eyeshadow brushes, highlighter, concealer, all that jazz. So that's that. And then moving on to the actual makeup. So the first thing that I'm taking are my sprays. So these are the 2 setting sprays that I use on a daily basis. First I'm taking the Mario Badescu facial spray, the orange one, and then a travel size of the Urban Decay All Nighter. All of the makeup actually in this bag, I'm wearing it on my face right now, except for eyeshadow. I just like didn't feel like doing eyeshadow today, but I'm taking these 2. For primer, I'm taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer just because I know it works well. I feel like it will last through the Florida humidity, and it just works great as like a primer to keep your makeup on all day, and that's definitely what I need on this trip, so I'm making sure to bring that. And then for foundation, I chose the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup just because I know that this stays on. Like even with masks and eating and everything, I know that this will stay on my face. I don't have to worry about it sliding off or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to bring this, and yeah. That's it. I'm in the shade Cashew, in case anyone was wondering, and I'm also wearing it on my face. Okay, for powders, again, I'm wearing my tried and true powders that I know won't let me down. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. It's just got like holiday packaging. It looks a little different, but yes, I am bringing the Laura Mercier Translucent because I know it works and I know it will keep my makeup in place. These are all products that I've picked out that I know will last all day because I don't want to have to worry about touching up, and especially since like we have to wear a mask, it's like, you know, like I want to make sure that it doesn't come off with my mask, if that makes sense. So of course, Maybelline Fit Me. I've been using this stuff for like 8 years now. It's so good, and I'm in the shade 310, and it's just a basic pressed powder, so I can't go anywhere without this thing, I swear. It's my favorite. So moving right along, I'm also bringing 2 mascaras. In fact, I think I might switch this one out because it kind of like, they're both kind of the same. But I'm bringing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, which I'm actually just wearing on my lashes right now. And I also filmed a video on this, so if you want to go see that video, I'll link it down below so you guys can hear my thoughts. And then I was going to bring my telescopic, but I think I might switch it now. Okay, I'm going to switch the telescopic, and I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs one. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume, just because I feel like the Sky High from Maybelline doesn't give a ton of volume. It just kind of lengthens, and I want a little bit more thickness, so I'm going to take these 2. And then I'm also going to be bringing my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Again, tried and true. I know it won't let me down. I wear the shade medium. And then for highlight, I'm just taking this Jaclyn loose highlighter in the shade Bomb. I'm actually wearing it right now. I think it's really like cute, subtle. don't like too much highlight nowadays. Sometimes I don't even wear highlight at all, so just something kind of like not too crazy that I know will work. Okay, so I'm taking, for eyebrows, I'm taking the Anastasia Brow Freeze. Of course, again, I also filmed a video on this, so I'll be sure to link it down below so you guys can hear my thoughts. I'm also wearing it on my eyebrows right now. And then I'm going to be taking this Sephora brand, or Sephora collection eyebrow pencil in the shade Midnight Brown. I'm taking my CoverGirl liquid liner, which looks like that. It's a matte black liquid liner. I really like it because it's really matte and it's very like opaque. Like the black color is really, really good. Okay, I'm almost to the end here. And then for bronzer, I'm taking the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess. I've been using this bronzer since high school. Like, I love this bronzer. So I'm taking this one. It is a little bit big, but I like that it's like flat so it doesn't take up a ton of space. For blush, I'm taking the Patrick Ta blush in the shade She's Adorable. And here is what she looks like. Cute. And then for eyeshadow palettes, I was kind of torn between the one that I'm taking and then the Natasha Denona little mini one. But the Natasha Denona like small one doesn't have like a matte cream colored shade in it. So I was like, I don't know. I wish it did because that would make it perfect, but it doesn't, so I'm not going to take it. So instead, I chose to take the Colourpop Nude Mood palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. And it's just a very natural palette. I'm not planning on doing any kind of crazy looks with my makeup when I'm out there, so I just wanted something very like wearable, easy, everyday kind of thing. So, and then the last thing in here is actually this Lineage lip sleeping mask in the Sweet Candy scent. I love this. I can't go to bed without this. Like, I don't know what I would do without this, so I'm definitely taking this. And that's basically everything that is in here. As you can see, it kind of fit a lot of things. The bag itself is like pretty, it's a little dirty, but it's got like side pockets over here and over here. And yeah, it fits a lot. It's really roomy, so I love that bag. Okay, so then in this little bag, I keep more of like my tools, my lashes, things like that. So in this one, it's a little bit more clear. I'm bringing just a couple lashes. I'm bringing these little natural ones in case I want to wear them. I am allergic to eyelashes, so I don't know if I actually will. I'm bringing these little Dainty Rose or Dainty Cosmetics lashes in the style Rose. I don't know if that's going to focus, but yeah, I'm bringing these. I've worn these before, so they're a little dirty. Okay, then I'm taking some tools in here. I have my Real Techniques sponge. I have my Beauty Blender little like puff thing for powder. I love this thing. My eyelash curler, of course. I'm taking a little pair of scissors because you never know when you need some scissors. I find myself needing scissors when I'm like in hotels a lot. I don't know why. Okay, I'm taking like 3 different lip liners. I got Morphe Love Bite. I got Italia Light Brown. And then I got KKW lip liner in Nude 1.5. As far as lipsticks go, I'm taking 3. I'm taking 3 liquid lipsticks. I'm taking Dose of Colors Knock on Wood, Dose of Colors Catching Feelings, and then the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I'm almost done with this actually. I love it. I kind of want to get another one. So yeah, I'm bringing just these 3. No gloss. A couple spoolies for my eyebrows. I have a sharpener for my lip liners, eyelash glue, and then the last thing in here are tweezers. I do have my skincare and everything packed away in a different bag. But as far as like makeup and things that will go on my face to make myself look more presentable, that is basically everything that I am bringing. So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for Disney vlogs and just a bunch of Disney content. I am so excited. So also, if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here. I will also have it linked down below. This video is going up on, I think this video is going up after I'm back, so I would tell you to like, you know, follow me for Disney content, but I'll already be back. Anyway, so yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram still. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.